In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a supplemental feed using Google Sheets in the Google Merchant Center. This process is quite straightforward and can be completed in just a few minutes if you follow these steps carefully. First things first, you'll need to enable the Advanced Data Source Management add-on. This is an essential feature that helps manage your supplemental feeds effectively. To do this, navigate to the settings within your Merchant Center account, then head over to the add-ons section. Here you'll be able to enable the Advanced Data Source Management. With this crucial step taken care of, you're now ready to move on to accessing the supplemental feeds. Next, you'll want to head over to the Data Sources section and look for Supplemental Sources. This is where you'll manage your additional product data. Now, to add new supplemental product data, click on the option that says Add Supplemental Product Data. Once you've done that, choose the Use Google Sheet option. This means you'll be utilizing a Google Sheet to compile and organize the items you want to include in your supplemental feed. After selecting to use a Google Sheet, you'll see the choice to upload an existing spreadsheet with your items. If you have a prepared Google Sheet that you'd like to use, click on Choose an existing spreadsheet to upload your items. Upload the Google Sheet file that contains your organized product data, and once you've done that, click on Continue to proceed. Now you're going to select the primary feed with which you'd like to associate this newly created supplemental feed. Choose the primary feed that best fits your marketing strategy or product catalog needs. This step ensures that the supplemental feed effectively complements your existing data. Once you have these elements in place, it's time to create the data source. Simply click on the Create Data Source button to finalize everything. At this stage, your new supplemental feed setup is almost done, but there's one more critical step to cover. Finally, to initiate the first sync of your newly created feed, you'll need to manually click Update within the Google Merchant Center. It's important to do this initially to kickstart the syncing process. Fortunately, once you've performed this manual update, future updates will occur automatically based on the settings you've configured. And there you have it, you've just successfully created a supplemental feed using Google Sheets in Google Merchant Center. Remember, keeping your data updated is important for ensuring your products are accurately represented across your sales channels. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need to manage or update your supplemental feeds, and happy selling!